Okay, so I'm going to be doing a video for my friend Bama. Yeah, we're going to be doing a video about the new volcano. Let's go, and we're going to be doing challenges to see who can stay on the trees the longest and not fall in the lava. So we better go start up the volcano.
I'm very goofy.
Okay.
Start up the lava. I take this bucket, you take that bucket. I'm gonna erupt it.
I'm gonna throw rocks at you. Oh no, it's fast. It's fast. Oh, it's fast. Hee. Oh! First one to fall in the lava loses. Starting now. You gotta be only on the trees.
Only on trees. How much? You funny. Only on the branches. Fine. Just like this is rich.
Where you at? Are you on a tree? Okay, that's good enough. You lost. Yay, I win.
My ice cream. I'm gonna do it quick. Wait.